How does excessive rainfall affect my HVAC equipment? Excessive rainfall can damage outdoor heating and cooling components, reduce performance, create electrical hazards, and encourage rust, mold, and expensive breakdowns. Rain itself usually does not harm a properly installed outdoor unit because the cabinet is designed to withstand normal weather. Trouble starts when water rises around the equipment, enters electrical connections, or washes dirt and leaves into the coils and drain areas. Floodwater is especially dangerous because it can carry mud, chemicals, sewage, and other contaminants into the blower, wiring, and motor. Even if the unit looks dry afterward, hidden moisture can cause short circuits or corrosion later. Turn off power to the system at the circuit breaker if flooding reaches the equipment, and do not touch it until a qualified heating and cooling technician checks it. Never use a cover while the unit is operating because trapped heat can damage the compressor. After heavy rain, clear leaves and debris from around the unit. Check that water drains away from the foundation and replace a clogged air filter. One lesser-known issue is that saturated soil can shift the equipment pad, causing refrigerant lines or drain pipes to bend and leak, so watch for unusual noises, poor cooling, or water indoors. A common mistake is turning the system back on immediately after flooding, so keep power off and arrange a professional inspection first. Another mistake is assuming that a small amount of standing water is harmless. Even shallow water can damage low electrical parts, so improve drainage and raise the equipment when appropriate. People also sometimes spray the outdoor coil with strong chemicals or forceful water, which can bend delicate fins, so use gentle water pressure or ask a technician to clean it. If the system smells burnt, trips the breaker, makes strange sounds, or stops cooling, leave it off instead of repeatedly resetting it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.